After we've had a couple of medevac agencies come out, we did some comparison of what they would like when it comes to landing zone operations and how to make that job a little bit easier. So these kits have been put together. We're gonna have 3 kits in total. The kits are gonna come up with these orange lights. They want one on 4 corners. We need 100 by 100 space. I want you to press the power button 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, to get a pattern that they recommended or they liked. So push 4 times. This is a weight that's gonna stay in the bag, 5-pound weight, and this is a 100-foot glow-in-the-dark rope. So the idea here is you set the bag down, the weight stays in the bag itself, you grab the rope, the end of the rope, you pop off the Velcro, and you walk out 100 foot, drop off the next one, and then come back and do the third corner about 100 foot. That'll be 3, and then the 4th one you can put out there to help kind of create a landing zone area.